If cos x equals 1 over root 5, find the tan of 2x. Now what we do is we draw a right angle triangle and mark in angle x. Angle x happens to be an acute angle for this problem, but this method will work even if x is not an acute angle. This method will even work if the cos of x is some negative value. We can still follow this method even if it doesn't make sense to mark in negative values for the sides of a right angle triangle. Now, the cos of an angle is the side adjacent to the angle divided by the hypotenuse. So what we do is we draw a rough sketch of a right angle triangle, make the side adjacent to x 1, make the hypotenuse root 5. So cos x is 1 over root 5. From this we can find the tan of x. Now we want the tan of 2x, but we can use an identity to get tan 2x in terms of tan x. So let's get tan of x. The tan of x is the side opposite x divided by the side adjacent to x, so we need this side here. So how do we find this side? Well, we just use Pythagoras. Root 5 squared equals a squared plus 1 squared. We have a right angle triangle. So a squared is going to be 5 minus 1, which is 4. So a will be the square root of 4, which is 2. Now we can write down the tan of x. It's 2 over 1. Next we get tan 2x by looking up an identity for a double angle. So for tan x we plug in 2. So we have 1 minus 2 squared here. So what are we going to get? We're going to get 2 2's are 4 over 1 minus 4. That's minus 3. So the tan of 2x is minus 4 thirds. Let's do a quick check of this. Let's take 1 and divide it by the square root of 5. Let's get the inverse cos of this. So this is what x is. Now if we want the tan of 2x we need to multiply this by 2 and take the tan. There we have it, minus 1 and a third, or minus 4 thirds.